Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Measurement for today is 60/40. We are going to tie a V-shaped side knot gele using Sego. You make 4 pleats and place on top of your client's head or your model's head. When crossing, ensure it's tight. Arrange pleats properly and go ahead to make use of the shorter one to form your V. V-shaped gele goes or looks good on everyone, unlike round gele that is sometimes selective. If you're confused on what to tie on your clients, just make the base V before you think of what else to do. It's going to turn out nice. After making your V, you'd pin to secure, or you tell your client to hold. Then we proceed to the other side. This other side, you don't make any pleats. Remember, the shorter one, we made 4 pleats to cross, because the other side is 4 pleats, so you have to ensure that while crossing is 4 so that it's balanced. But on this other part now, you're not going to make any pleats. You just pick from the middle, fold a little and make your knot. And ensure your knot is properly tied. After that, you go ahead to pick big pleats. This time around, your pleats aren't going to upward. Your pleat is not going upward. It's normal, the downward motion. At this point, I was trying to size it up to know where I'm going to join, because you need to join both ends so that it will turn out well. And this my friend that decided to model for me today said, like, this is okay. I'm like, it's for only models. That's if they are going to model for a clothesline, it can go, but not for a bridal look. If you think otherwise, let me know. So as you can see, we've made our pleats. You just have to freestyle. It doesn't have to be that serious because it's Sego. And trust me, you're going to like the outcome. Ensure you make those big pleats on the other end too, on the other side too. Instead of making use of the full gele that is remaining, the way I just did it, you pick the half and join. so that it comes out well, it's popping and not looking oversized. Make sure you pin where necessary. So that the beauty of the gele will come out. And here our side knot gele is taking shape. Ensure you arrange pleats properly and do finishing touches. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Do not forget to check out my other videos. See our gele now, very fine. A bride can rock this, mother of the bride can rock this, even the bride's mother-in-law can rock this style also. They'll be looking like $1,000,000. Pepper them gang, rich mommy vibes. Here's the edited video, although we had to shift the knot to the center. Thank you so much guys, bye.